clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure your car has been through it all. Daily drives, commutes to work, dirt and debris has stacked up on top of that clear coat to the point where you don't even know what color your car is. This Lexus has been through it all. Dirt and grime, heavy amounts of weather, and the owner does not care for whatsoever. Right now it has that hint of grayish color because the clear coat is fading and discoloring because all that dirt and grime is not allowing to shine up. So today I'll be showing us how simple and easy it is to restore the shine using one single product, which is our brand new high impact deep clean car wash soap. This soap is super gentle but thick on the suds. That's going to allow you to dwell up the surface of the car, prevent any scratches or swirls, and bring back the shine back to that ride. Before we get into the wash process, I am going to be setting up my 2-bucket method with my dirt traps, and I'm also going to be setting up my Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon. Now this soap, you could use it with a foam blaster, foam cannon, or just a 2-bucket method by itself. Because of the high lubricity of the soap, is going to allow you to remove any filth and grime away from the surface of the vehicle without installing scratches and swirls. Now I am going to be taking the foam cannon method because this Lexus has been through it all. I'm here to tell you that this owner of this car never washes his car whatsoever. What ends up happening is he travels about 40 miles every single day. You just imagine how much filth and grime he could actually get on it. Bugs, debris, contamination, fallout, the list goes on. This is for anybody that just came across us. We here at 𝘃𝗄𝗿𝗄, we believe in the 2-bucket method because here's the fun fact. 90% of scratches and swirls actually come from improper washing and wiping down the surface of the car. So before we get into the 2-bucket method, all I'm gonna do is get my Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon and I'll remove this up top. So the Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon works with a pressure washer. If you're the user that does not have a pressure washer, I do recommend picking up a foam blaster if you do have a garden hose. If you don't have a garden hose, just use the 2-bucket method by itself. So then I'll grab my high impact car wash soap. 1, 2 ounces of soap into my foam cannon. I'll put my top back on, and then I'm going to stir it and not shake it. Keep in mind, a little bit goes a very long way. So 2 ounces max I need to wash this car. After my foam cannon's already ready to go, I'll grab my dirt trap. So these are filters. These are sit at the bottom of your bucket. It actually has over 100 cyclonic cones in the back that's going to prevent any dirt from rising back up. So I have a green one and a red one. Color may vary. It all depends what color is yours or which one you like. So I have my green bucket that's going to be my go bucket, my red bucket, my rinse bucket. So then I'll just grab my high impact soap, add about 1 ounce of soap into my wash bucket. Then I'll grab my super soft wash mitt. The wash mitt I'm going today with is our traditional Chanel wash mitt. Just because the noodles are super soft, super plush, I could go with the grip and glide, but in this occasion, I want to take my time and get into the nooks and crannies. After this, what I'm gonna just do is I'll be getting my pressure washer, and we're gonna start off by rinsing down the surface of the car. Then I'll talk to you guys again. I'll show you guys exactly how to use the Big Mouth Max Freeze foam cannon with your pressure washer. I just finished rinsing the car down. Now it's time to foam it up using our high impact car wash soap. So all I'm gonna do is grab my snubby, pull back on the sleeve, attach it to my quick release, and I'm gonna start foaming up the car. Now, high impact is designed to have high amounts of lubricity, so whenever I glide my wash mitt across the surface of the car, it's not going to scratch nor damage the look of the car. As you guys can see how thick the soap is sitting on the surface of the car, this is all lubrication, and that's what we want, because whenever you start gliding your wash mitt across the surface of your car, you want lubrication to prevent any scratches and swirls. So all I'm gonna do now is walk over to my buckets, get my wash mitt, and then I'm gonna show you guys how simple and easy it is to rub this beautiful Lexus IS back and forth and bring it back to how it once looked. All right, so now that I activated my suds, I'll reach down, get my wash mitt, get more suds, walk over to the surface of the car, and whenever you start washing any car, whether it's small or big, we always recommend starting from the top bottom. So once you're done doing that, go back to your rinse bucket, as I'm gonna do right now. Walk over to my rinse bucket, rinse out your wash mitt, inspect it, and continue with the wash. We always recommend doing that just so you can ensure you prevent any scratches and swirls away from the surface of the car. People have mud on their car, dirt, grime, debris, fallout, bird droppings, and then all of that filth and grime gets stuck in these Chanel wash mitt noodles, and then you're just scrubbing it back and forth on your clear coat, and then over time you're starting to create scratches, swirl marks, and then after that you're gonna have to be going down the rabbit hole of using a polisher. So look, I just finished scrubbing the surface of the car down. There's so much filth and grime sitting in my wash mitt. Now I'm gonna show you guys a cool trick and why we use dirt traps. So there's filth and grime in here. I'll sink my wash mitt into my bucket. Now the micro abrasives that sit on top of the dirt trap are going to help me extract any filth and grime. So look, it's coming out. I'll wring it out. I still see a little bit. I'm gonna go back into my rinse bucket, sink it in, scrub it back and forth. Now it's clean. And then after that, I'll get more soap and continue with the wash. I just finished scrubbing down the surface of the car. I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how dirty the water is in my rinse bucket after, but now all I need to do is just rinse it off and then I'll dry it up and I'll show you guys the amazing results I achieved using HighImpact. All right, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick hack on how to dry your car a lot easier using the power of ceramic using our Hydro Dry. All I'm gonna do is spray it directly onto the surface. You guys can see that the water is accelerating off the surface of the car. After I spray it on there, all you want to do is just get your source of water and rinse it off. And you guys can see the water is accelerating off the surface of the car. So now all I need is my towel. All you grab is your towel after, throw it on the surface, and then you'll just glide it across the surface of the vehicle. And like this, we dry the car a lot easier. Because what ends up happening is if you have contamination, dirt, debris sitting on the clear coat of your car, it's gonna make drying a lot harder. So if you're struggling to dry your car, make sure to pick up a bottle of Hydro Dry as well. So like this, your drying process is a breeze instead of a headache. Spray, rinse, dry. And that's how fast, simple, and easy it is to restore the look and shine of your car using one single soap, HighImpact Deep Clean Car Wash Soap. That soap is now available using the link down below. As always, if you guys do like these videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.